Hello, welcome back to my second video about the basics prototyping using Figma. So on the first videos that I have show you guys how to use friends and rulers and stuff to design the main page for the FENDI. So now we are going to do is we're going to do a second page for man, and then we we'll add some cool effects for that navigation. So let's start right into it. So before doing the second main page, because we want to add some animations for, like, the image sliders things and the text animations. So in here we need to add a little bit more things. So first we need to add this one, the active bar. We copy them. We need to create the active bar for the man as well. So this probably 5. Okay, a little bit longer. 50. Okay, so now we have active bar for the man. So once the page navigate to the man, this yellow bar should show, but the woman's one should disappear. So okay, so in here we just make that line. This one is women active, man active. So we make this one passing through to 0. Okay, done. And then we need to, because the man's campaign's photo is different, so we need to add the man's campaign photo in here. So let me find that campaign photo. Drag that. Okay, so we probably use the perfect size, the same size. 623 664 623 664. No, don't snap. 623 664. Okay, now we just need to align them. Okay, we group them. Slider. Cool. Let's just change the man. Okay. So now we change, same as this one, we change the passing through to 0. So now we just need to add the man's title, campaign title. So we just duplicate this one, change the name to man, because we want that effect. We want the text effect is a slide from the right to left, so his starter position will be like in this position is better. So we would just need to change the text to it. Change the text and move it back to the same position. Okay, cool. And then same, we change the pathing through like to 0, and then we do the same for this this text. Okay. Again, in here we want the effect is slide. The text will fade in from left to right. So the starting position will be on the left, same as this one. So we just need to add the text in it. Okay, this different text, so then we move back to the same position. Okay, then we change. First we state it. Okay, then we just change the woman and man, and we put the man 1 0. Okay, done. So the preparation works is complete. That all we need to do is duplicate the whole friend. Now we have the second friend, and we rename it. Rename this man. Okay. For the sake of order, we put it down. So now all we need to do is we find the first we want to change the active bar, right? So we find the menu bar. So in here we change this one to 0. Change the woman one to 0, and change this one to 100%. So it will display. And then what we want to do is change the slider, right? So we select these two and just move into change 100%. We need to use, it's better to use the ruler. So in here we snap that pictures. Okay, here. So the women ones we change to 0, the men one we change to 100%. Okay, so we can drag it here, so it will have the same the positions for the women one. There is one thing that I forgot is the background image, so probably just delete that, the main one, sorry. And we add a backgrounds image for the man. Drag in, okay. So the man one place in this one. Line that a little bit. Okay, cool. So the shadow friend, this one's man, woman, shadow, and group them together, shadow image. And then with change it to 0. Okay, now all the preparations works has been done. So now all we need to do is just duplicate this whole frame. Okay, now let's change the name to man, and we'll slide down for the sake of the order. Now the first thing we need to do is change the active tab. So we find the menu bar, the man's one, we show them. For the woman's one, we don't show them. Okay, we'll do the same for the image, but in here it's better to align the image. We use the the ruler to find the position for us. So campaign sliders. So woman, we don't show it. For the man, we show it as well. We want to change its picture's position to here. Snap. Okay, cool. The rulers can go away now. Okay, so and here we do the titles, campaign title. We don't want to show the man's one, woman's one. We show the man's one. Okay, but we don't want the same position, which is that we align left. And then the description, same. We don't show the woman's one, we show the man's one. And we align right. Cool. So this is done for the men's page. Sorry, there's one more thing that the shadow image is always being forgotten. Okay, so we don't want to show the women's one. Same. We don't want to show the women's one under the men's page, right? So we change this one. Okay, cool. Now this men's page is complete. So now we need to add the animations to navigate between these two friends. So we go to the women's one, find the menu bar. Then we find the text for the man. Okay, we click here on the top right, the prototype. You click here, interactions. Then yes, on clicked. Okay, navigate to select man, animation, select smart animate. This probably was we can use easing it out for maybe 600 milliseconds. Okay, and then we do the same for here. So women's, we find here, we find the women's tag here. Click, navigate to women's, smart animations, and 600. Sam is in and out. Okay, let's see the effect. So you click this one, you can preview. Let's load up the image first, a little bit slow. Okay, cool. Now we have a really good effects for the navigations, right? Okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create this search page and then blinking cursor. I will see you in the next video.